Hello there. My name is Teacher Iran and I am from the Philippines. I believe that learning is not just a lesson, it's a whole new world of adventure. And the best way to learn is with a smile. In my class, we will sing a song, we will play some fun games, and learn new words. We will move, we will laugh and have a lots of fun while learning English. I focus on clear pronunciation, building confidence, and making sure students feel supported and comfortable in class. I also use TPR, which means total physical response with question like, can you hear me? Can you see me? I'm also a certified ESL teacher, which means I'm qualified to teach English to non native speakers, including children, teens, and adults. I'm very excited to see you grow and succeed. Book a class with me today, and I will see you in my class. Bye.